Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are also going on well. This is part 20 video from the chapter of measures of central tendency, where I will be solving the last set of 5 MCQ problems on mean median mode. This video is part of the playlist CBSE Maths for class 9 following the textbook of author RD Sharma. If you find this video beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and if you want to further support me, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. Okay, the first problem says if the median of the following distribution is 32.5, find the values of f1 and f2 if summation of fi is 40. Summation of fi summation of fi 40. This means summation of fi means the total number of observations, which is capital N. So N we have is 40, and there are two unknown frequencies f1 and f2. The median is given to be 32.5. Okay, now since we see the class intervals are already in the exclusive form, that is continuous, and the class size, it does not matter whether the classes are having equal width or not. It does not matter. But the classes all the classes are continuous. That is, the upper limit of the class of a class is equal to the lower limit of the next class. Okay, so first thing we have to prepare the less than cumulative frequency column, which I term as capital F. In the textbook, it is also referred to as CF. So okay, so the first will be f1, then we will have f1 plus 5, and then we will have f1 plus 14, and then we will have f1 plus 26, and then we will have f1 plus f2 plus 26, and then we will have f1 plus f2 plus 29, and finally we will have f1 plus f2 plus 31. Now the median is given to be 32.5. From the value of the median, we can easily find out the median class. The class that contains the value 32.5 is the median class. Clearly, the median class is 30 to 40. Median is equal to 32.5, it is given, implies median class is 30 to 40, as the median is lying between the class lower and upper limits. Okay, now once we know the median class, we know the capital L, the lower limit of the median class, which is 30. We also know capital C, which is the width or size of the median class, which will be upper limit minus lower limit. 40 minus 30 which is 10. We also know small f, which is which is the frequency of the median class, which will be f1 plus 26. f1 plus 26, and so this is, sorry, not f1 plus 26, I'm very sorry. Small f is the frequency of the median class, which is 12, and capital F is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. So this is capital F. Capital F is f1 plus 14. Okay. Now first of all, the summation of the last value of the cumulative frequency gives the value of n. So I can say that f1 plus f2 plus 31 is equal to 40. Summation of fi is given to be 40. So this implies I get a linear equation of f1 and f2. This is equal to 9. Okay. Now I will apply the formula of median. Median we know for a group data is equal to L, that is the lower limit of the median class, plus n by 2. N is the total number of observations, minus capital F. Capital F is the less than frequency of the class just preceding the median class, whole divided by small f. Small f is the frequency of the median class multiplied by C. C is the width or size of the median class. Now we can put the values. Median is given to be 32.5 is equal to L is 30 plus n by 2 is 20. So 40 by 2 minus capital F is F1 plus 14. So we have F1 minus 14. Small f is 12 multiplied by C is 10. Now we have to, from here we can easily find out the value of F1. Okay, so 40 by 2 is 20 and 20 minus F1 minus 14 is 6 minus F1 by let's cancel out, do cancellation between 10 and 12. 10 by 12 is 5 by 6 is equal to 32.5 minus 30, which is equal to 2.5. This implies doing cross multiplication doing cross multiplication, we get 5 multiplied by 6 minus F1 is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 6, which is 15. Okay, this implies 6 minus F1 is 3. This implies F1 is 9. F1 is 9. Okay, F1 is 9. So if F1 is 9, F2 has to be 0. F2 has to be 0. Okay. I hope I have not made any silly mistake. Let me quickly check. 30 plus 40 by 2 is 20. 20 minus F1 minus 14 is 6 minus F1. Okay. 2, 5 to 6, 5 by 6. Okay, is equal to 2.5, and then 5 into 6 minus F1 is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 6, which is 15. Okay, so then 6 minus F1 is 3 and F1 is sorry, I did a calculation mistake. F1 is 3. F1 is 3. F1 is 3. So F2 will be equal to 9 minus F1, which is 9 minus 3, which is 6. So F1 is 3 and F2 is 6. Okay, let's do the next problem. The mean and median of ABC are 50 and 55 respectively, where it is given that A is less than B is less than C. If C minus A is 55, and find the value of B minus A. Since the three observations ABC are in the order, in the ascending order, it is A comma B comma C. Clearly, median is B. Median is given to be 55. So this implies that B is equal to 55. Okay. Now the mean is also given to be, mean will be equal to A, sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. A, B, C are 3 observations divided by 3, which is given to be 50. So this implies A plus B plus C is equal to 150. This implies the value of B we know is 55. So A plus C is 150 minus B, which is 150 minus 55, which is 5, 95. Okay, A plus C is 95. Now C minus A is given to be 55. So I have A plus C is 95 and also C minus A is given to be 55. 5. If I add the two equation, the one equation is a plus c is equal to 95 and the other equation is c minus a equals to 55. If I add this, I have twice c is equal to twice c will be equal to 150. This implies c is equal to 75. We have to find the value of b minus a. B minus a. Okay, so c is 75 and a plus c is 95. So this implies a is 95 minus c, which is 95 minus 75, which is 20. Okay, so a is 20. So this implies, and b we already know is 55. So b minus a is equal to 55 minus 20, which is 35. So b minus a is 35. What happened? B is 55, okay, and A is 20. Let me quickly check. I might have done some calculation mistake. If the mean and median of ABC are 50 and 55 respectively, where A is less than B less than C, definitely B is the median. That is the middlemost element when ABC are in a sorted order. So B is 55, okay, and mean is 50. So A plus B plus C divided by 3 is 50, which means A plus B plus C is 150. This means A plus C is equal to 150 minus B, which is 150 minus 55, which is 95. So A plus C is 95. A plus C is 95, and it is also given C minus A is 55. C minus A is given to be 55, and I have A plus C is equal to 95. 10, 15. So twice of C has to be 150. This means C is equal to 75. This means A is equal to A plus C is 95, C is 75. So A has to be 20. A has to be 20. So then B minus A is equal to 55 minus 20. It is coming out to be 35. I have no idea why. The choices are A, 8, 7, 3 and 5. If C I don't know. Let me know if I am doing any calculation mistake or not. My answer is coming out to be B minus A is 35. If you find any error in my solution, if I have done any calculation mistake or I have applied any wrong concepts, then please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will highly appreciate that. Let's see the next problem. Question number 3. It is given summation of fi xi is equal to 216. Now there is no range given for I. You can consider it to be I varies from ranges from 1 to n. I mean, if it is given like this, fi xi, then in general we take the number of observations, that is xi is ranging from 1 to n, is given to be 216, okay, and the summation of the frequencies is given to be 16. Okay, now clearly we know that fi are the frequency of the observations. Fi is the frequency of the observation xi. So the mean, so this is a discrete frequency distribution going on. So the mean of the observations xi's will be total sum of the observations, which is we know is fi xi divided by total number of observations, which is equal to the sum of the frequencies. This will be 216 divided by 16, which is 16. Is it 16? 1, 5, no, 216 divided by 16 is not 16. Okay, so this is 4, 4, and then 4, 5, 54. This is 27 by 2. Okay, mean is 27 by 2, which is in the decimal form 113.5. But the mean is given to be x bar, which the mean of xi is given to be 13.5 plus p. So we must have then 13.5 is equal to 13.5 plus p. This clearly implies p is equal to 0. So the correct choice is A. Let's see the next problem. If the median of the first n is odd, natural numbers is k. If the median of the first n natural numbers is k, where n is odd, then the sum of these numbers is, okay, what is given? We have to find of the first n natural numbers is k, the median of the first n natural numbers. So the first n natural numbers are like 1, 2, 3, up to n. If n is odd, n is odd, it is given that n is odd, implies the median is equal to mean of n by 2, n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. I'm sorry, I'm totally wrong. If n is odd, we know that then the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Now, in the first n natural numbers, what is the natural number whose position is n plus 1 by nth? It is nothing but n plus 1 by 2. The first natural number is 1, second natural number is 2, third natural number is 3, the nth natural number is n. So n plus 1 by 2th natural number must be n plus 1 by 2. This is given to be k. So this implies n is equal to twice k minus 1. Now it is asking the sum of these numbers, that is the sum of the first n natural numbers where n is odd. We know that 1 plus 2 plus 3, the sum of the first n natural numbers, whatever the n be, whatever n might be, odd or even, does not matter, this is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. N we know is 2k minus 1, so this will be 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 2. This is 2k multiplied by 2k minus 1 by 2, and this is k into 2k minus 1. So k into 2k minus 1 is the sum of the first n natural numbers where n is odd and whose median is given to be k. So the correct choice is B. B is the correct choice. Let's see the last problem. There is no last problem. Oh, I thought there are 5 questions, but I see there are only 4 questions. Anyway, so with this it comes to an end in solving another 4 conceptual problems in finding mean median mode of mean of discrete frequency distribution. Median both discrete and group, but mode. We haven't discussed about finding the mode of group data, which I will discuss in some future videos. So if this video was beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and once again please support me by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. I think I have solved enough conceptual problems on mean median mode as per the syllabus given in the as per all the concepts and formulas and results given in the textbook of author RD Sharma. In the next video, I think I will discuss about how to find the mode of grouped data. So please stay tuned for that video. I am ending the video here. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.